2, 1, action.
Hi, I'm Cree. Hi, I'm Talon. And this is a major review. Don't worry about Talon's juice box. And today I'm reviewing the Police Legacy helicopter. And I don't know how much money that is. If you know, you'll just get it. And here's the box, and it doesn't have many point features. Look. Now let's on to instructions. Just the minifig. There's this. I'll show you the back actually. This is more exciting. The back is more exciting. And this right there, again, cost. And alright, these are new. Don't laugh about that. These I never seen all these. Never seen those, so don't worry about that.
Where's the helicopter?
Here's the. Why start from the beginning?
Well, why don't you review the helicopter?
Okay, here. Now, here's
Stop it.
yeah. This, you see all these bulbs. And here's another, the plain thing also. Never seen these.
Talon, go away.
I saw these videos. If you see plants in them, you're going to use them because those are what they are. Selling plants. And the police. And this one comes out from the station. And this is the one I got right here.
Can you show us the helicopter?
Not yet. And now I'm trying to find another. Okay, that's it for the instruction manual. Yay, do you know this comes off? This don't make it. And no back to the clock. Yay, I have my juice. And that could open up because it takes off real easy and you put on here. No, I'll show you how easy it is to fix. It's easy. Fix it, keep it on the
You are so silly.
Keep it on the line. Like line, that's it. When you get upside down, don't worry.
Yeah.
That's my rubber set, his review. And these could spin, but I don't really do the back down and drop it. Here, and I switch the camera back and the light. I don't know if this camera. Anyone tell me if this is a camera or not? Because no one knows.
It's a camera.
Okay. And on to the inside of this thing. Here, handcuffs. Talon! Here's my extra. Don't worry about this one anymore. I won't use this one anymore. It's thrown out. That one's thrown out. And I'll show you the binoculars. What's it? Okay, this one's the rubber. That was always giving me stuff. And here's the binoculars right here. Oh, I think this is the only good one.
Talon, go away.
Okay, that's all it is.
Talon, go.
Here's red, green, not blue, because this was made in another state. I think they made a blue one here, but they made it red and green for another state. It was from Chinese, and we don't know that because we're in Virginia. The wing is really weird almost. I'll show you how you hold
Hey, see?
it like this.
You gotta wrap it up, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Are you done?
No.
No.
Everyone should buy this thing.
Go
Really
away.
Good luck. Make sure. This thing, if you drop it, is really bad. Painful. This is a weird thing no one might have, but we have those.
Show them how the wings fold up.
Oh, yes. They could fall up like that, not all the others. But they could go down, 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 and down. Well, now like this. Then, if you get both of these, then you can play Robber Chase. With, go ahead. We had this man on the others. I don't know what
Do you recommend it to others?
And this is from Lego City. How much money is this, Wesley?
I don't know.
Read the box. Money.
It says on the box.
It doesn't say.
No, on the front it says.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
It says 94 pieces.
And there's one that says the money too.
No, it does not say the money.
Yes, one right here.
$24.
24. And this is $24. Go for it. I forgot to show you the light on this. I don't know if that can move. I didn't start.
Talon, get away now.
So I looked at the box
Oh,
really
what did you buy
close.
at
I
Target?
found this. I found this light.
We'll show it.
Bye. It's go-
Yeah,
Bye.
You're done?
$5 to
Yes, I am.
Say bye. Turn to the
Bye.
camera.
Bye.